Google HomePage secrets. Do you know that Google's homepage can do a lot more than what it seems to do? We all know that Google is the best and the most used search engine in the world. That's why we need to know about the tips and tricks and the hidden cool secrets of Google homepage so that we can use it more than we do it now. Google Calculator. You know that this very professional platform also provides you with a calculator to manage your calculations. If you want to see the magic, type calculator in the search bar and see it. Okay, Google. You might have seen a microphone sign in the Google search bar. Have you ever tried it? If no, then it's the time to use for your searches. Google gives you a facility to do searches without touching your keyboard. All you have to do is press that microphone sign in your search bar and then say OK Google to initiate this feature on the Google homepage. Google Chrome Secret Game. If you want Google to give you some entertainment, you should try the Google Chrome Secret Game. Sometimes it happens that the internet goes off and you have no internet to play games online. You have to open Google Chrome in that situation, and you will see the game on your screen. Play it, enjoy it, and deliver this trick to others so that they can also enjoy it. For more information about Google, subscribe now.